Thanks for tuning in, and welcome back to another Saturday morning stretch. Before we start, just a quick reminder that if you like what you see and are interested in learning how to effectively stretch your muscles, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the stretching videos. Also, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comment section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Alright, time to demonstrate the stretch.
The stretch we will be demonstrating for you today will be the myofascial stretch for the long head of the biceps brachii. Start by sitting on the floor with your hips and knees flexed and feet outside of your hips. Retract your shoulder blades and place your hands behind your back by extending your shoulders and maximally extending your elbows. Pronate your forearms by turning your hands so that your palms are facing the ceiling, and move your arms medially by bringing both hands together. Create a varus force at the elbows by pushing your elbows out to the sides. Lift the chest by pushing your chest anteriorly, which will aid in retroversion of the scapula. Lastly, get into retroversion of the pelvis by tucking your pelvis underneath you and get into as much axial extension as possible by tucking in your chin and pressing the crown of your head longitudinally away from your body. Once you are in this final position, hold it for 30 seconds to 1 minute without losing any of the above-mentioned components. If the stretch begins to feel easy, you've most likely lost one or more components of the stretch. When you first perform this stretch, do it in front of a mirror or film yourself performing the stretch so you can watch yourself back and make any corrections if needed. Perform 3 sets of the stretch.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the stretching videos. And if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section and we'll either respond to you directly in the comment section or answer your questions during our weekly Sunday Q&A. Keep fit, have fun, and we'll see you again next week.